Ever wondered how to build a vibrant online community? Welcome to the course summary of Connecting with Your Community, Audience Engagement Mastery. This is your one-stop gateway to mastering the art of audience engagement. Today we're going to give you a sneak peek into what this course has to offer. In the digital world where content is king, what sets you apart is not just the quality of your content, but also how well you engage with your audience. It isn't about broadcasting your thoughts or ideas to a faceless crowd. It's about fostering a two-way conversation, building relationships, and creating a community that thrives on interaction. Our course, Connecting with Your Community, Audience Engagement Mastery, is designed to help you do just that. It's packed with insights and strategies that will empower you to attract, engage, and retain your audience. Whether you're a seasoned content creator, an influencer, or an aspiring YouTuber, this course will equip you with the tools to foster a vibrant and engaged online community. In this course summary, we'll take you through the key takeaways from each module. We'll start off with the foundations of community building, exploring strategies to attract and retain an engaged audience. Then, we'll move on to meaningful comment engagement, discussing how to respond to comments and foster positive discussions. Next, we'll delve into the power of community posts, sharing tips on how to utilize them effectively. We'll also cover the benefits of live streaming for audience engagement and share insights on planning and hosting engaging live streams. But that's not all. We'll also explore strategies for analyzing audience engagement and fostering growth, emphasizing the importance of data-driven decisions in community management. And lastly, we'll sum up the key insights from the course and encourage you to enroll in the full course for a deeper dive into each module. So, are you ready to master audience engagement and build a thriving online community? Then buckle up and join us on this exciting journey. Stay tuned as we delve into the key takeaways from each module. Every great community starts from the ground up. Building a community is like constructing a skyscraper. It requires a solid foundation, meticulous planning, and the right tools. In Module 1 of our course, we explored the foundations of community building, focusing on strategies for attracting and retaining an engaged audience. Let's start with understanding your audience. It's crucial to know who they are, what they care about, and what prompts them to engage. Think of your audience as the bricks of your community skyscraper. Every brick is unique, but together they form a cohesive structure. Similarly, each member of your community has their interests, perspectives, and values. Recognize and celebrate these differences because they're what make your community rich and diverse. Next, we move on to creating content that resonates with your audience. This is where understanding your audience pays off. Tailoring your content to their interests and values is like designing the blueprint for your skyscraper. It's what gives it shape, form, and aesthetic appeal. Remember, your content is the primary reason why people join your community. So, make it worth their while. Create content that's engaging, informative, and entertaining. It should spark conversations, provoke thoughts, and elicit emotions. Now let's talk about attracting and retaining your audience. Attracting an audience is like laying the first brick of your skyscraper. It's an exciting milestone, but it's just the start. Retaining your audience, on the other hand, is like adding more bricks to your skyscraper, making it bigger and stronger. It involves keeping your audience engaged and interested over time. This is where consistency comes into play. Consistently delivering high-quality content is key to retaining your audience. It's also crucial to interact with your audience regularly, whether it's responding to comments, hosting live chats, or sharing behind-the-scenes content. These interactions make your audience feel valued and part of your community. Lastly, we discussed the importance of fostering a positive community culture. A positive culture is like the glue that holds the bricks of your skyscraper together. It's what makes your community cohesive and harmonious. A positive culture encourages respect, inclusivity, and open dialogue. It dissuades toxic behaviors and promotes healthy interactions. As a community leader, it's your responsibility to cultivate and maintain this positive culture. Set clear community guidelines, moderate discussions, and lead by example. To sum up, building a community involves understanding your audience, creating resonant content, attracting and retaining an engaged audience, and fostering a positive community culture. It's a complex process, but with the right strategies and techniques, it's entirely doable. A strong foundation leads to a thriving community. And that's the essence of Module 1. Stay tuned as we delve into Module 2, where we'll explore effective comment engagement. How do you turn a single comment into a meaningful conversation? This is a key question we tackle in Module 2, which zeroes in on the power of effective comment engagement. Picture this. You've just uploaded a new video, and the comments start to trickle in. Some are positive, some are negative, and some are just, well, a bit random. But each of these comments represents a potential connection, a chance to engage with your viewers and deepen their investment in your content. So how do you do that? Well, first things first, don't ignore your comment section. It might seem like a small thing, but taking the time to acknowledge your viewers can make a world of difference. You don't have to respond to every single comment, but making an effort to interact shows your audience that you value their input. Now, it's not just about responding, but how you respond. Be genuine, be respectful, and be open to discussion. Remember, you're not just talking to a screen name, but to a real person on the other side. When it comes to negative comments, it can be tempting to get defensive or ignore them altogether. But here's a different approach. See them as an opportunity. Not all criticism is destructive. Sometimes it's a chance to learn and grow. Responding to negative comments in a constructive manner can show your audience that you're willing to listen and improve. Then there's the matter of controversial or heated discussions. These can be tricky to navigate, but they're not necessarily a bad thing. A healthy debate can drive engagement and show that your content is thought-provoking. Just make sure to set ground rules and moderate the discussions to keep things respectful. And let's not forget about the power of positive reinforcement. If a viewer leaves a particularly insightful or supportive comment, highlight it. Show them that their contribution is valued and appreciated. This not only encourages them to continue engaging, but also motivates others to do the same. Finally, remember that engagement is a two-way street. Don't just respond to comments, but also take the initiative to start discussions. Ask your viewers for their opinions, their ideas, or their experiences. This shows them that you're not just interested in their views, but also in their stories. In essence, effective comment engagement is about creating a dialogue, a back-and-forth exchange that enriches your content and builds a strong, engaged community. It's about turning your viewers from passive spectators to active participants. To sum up, remember this: each comment is a potential conversation waiting to happen. So don't let them go to waste. Engage, interact, and foster a community that thrives on meaningful discussions. Remember, every comment is an opportunity for engagement. Are you maximizing the potential of your community posts? Community posts are an underutilized tool that can significantly boost your audience engagement when used effectively. In Module 3 of our course, we delve deep into the world of community posts and how they can be leveraged to foster a vibrant and engaged online community. Community posts are not just about pushing out content. They are about creating a dialogue, a two-way street of communication between you and your audience. They offer a unique platform for you to share updates, ask for feedback, and even run polls. Let's talk about updates first. These are an excellent way to keep your audience in the loop about what's happening behind the scenes. Whether you're working on a new project, attending an event, or simply want to share a snapshot of your day, updates can make your audience feel more connected to you and your journey. Next, we have polls. Polls are not just a fun way to engage your audience. They are also a powerful tool for audience research. Want to know what type of content your audience prefers? Run a poll. Curious about their opinions on a particular topic? Run a poll. The responses you get can provide valuable insights that can guide your content creation strategy. Finally, let's not forget about announcements. Whether you're launching a new product, starting a new series, or have some exciting news to share, announcements can create a buzz around your content and increase anticipation. Remember, engagement is a two-way street. It's not just about broadcasting messages. It's about listening to your audience, responding to their comments, and creating a sense of community. So don't just post and ghost. Be active, be responsive, and most importantly, be authentic. In summary, community posts are more than just a content distribution tool. They are a platform for connection, conversation, and community building. So, are you ready to leverage your community posts to boost your audience engagement? Community posts are your gateway to audience engagement. Are you ready to transform your online community? As we wrap up this course summary, let's reflect on the vital role audience engagement plays in creating a thriving online presence. We've journeyed through the foundations of community building, understanding the strategies to attract and retain a lively and engaged audience. We've highlighted the importance of meaningful comment engagement, demonstrating how to respond effectively to comments and foster positive discussions. We've explored the power of community posts, from updates to polls and exciting announcements. We've dived into the world of live streams, showing how this medium can dramatically boost your audience engagement. Lastly, we've stressed the value of analyzing your community, making data-driven decisions to foster growth and engagement. But this is just a glimpse into the world of audience engagement mastery. Each module in the full course offers a comprehensive deep dive into these topics, providing you with the tools you need to truly connect with your audience and build a vibrant online community. So, are you ready to take the next step? To delve deeper into the art of community building and audience engagement? To transform your online presence and create a space where your audience feels heard, valued, and engaged? Enroll in the full course today and start engaging with your audience like never before. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Your time and interest are truly appreciated. If you found this summary valuable, consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with others, and subscribing to our channel for more insights. The full course offers a deeper dive into each module, empowering you with the tools and techniques to effectively engage your audience and build a thriving online community. Don't just stop here. Join us in the full course and unlock your audience engagement potential.